climbing. What are you doing, Alec?
I'm trying to get
What are you trying to do?
Mama, climbing.
Okay, hold on.
Me first. I want to go first.
Alright, so I've looked at these others. I photographed the other unit. Okay. I'm going to go take a look at the beach. There is unit 31 right there.
I'm collecting oil shells.
Okay.
Are you?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Alec?
I brought extra pants for them, so I
I
was
brought
worried.
shells.
Are you collecting shells too?
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again.
Well, very good.
I can do this. I can find more shells.
Alright, we'll see if we can find some. What do you think of this beach, Jess?
Beautiful. Ready, monkey?
That's it?
We're taking a picture of Jessica.
I wonder what the poor people are doing.